Yes. And thank you, Father. Obedience would be very easy if we know how to be humble. These two values, and please allow me, Father, to add on. Respect would allow us to connect to each other and with each other towards transformation, change, and the great will definitely happen. Thank you, Father. We will strive to strengthen and live the virtues that you have taught us. Brothers and sisters, thank you very much for your cooperation, commitment to stay one as we journey towards the great as one SJWP family with our very own Paris priest, Father Mike Akan. Welcome everyone, and let us enjoy the letter that we have prepared for the night. Salamat po sa lahat.
Yes, thank you very much, Ate Leonie.